silence. Morning shadows on the highway, streetlights fading one by one, mountains sleeping in the distance, waiting for the rising sun. No one hears the tires whisper through the curves beside the trees, only wind against the vibe.